blood and violence. These properties reside in the soul, along with God and love and such things. So when people say that violence followed my brothers all their lives, I am inclined to disagree. He was always there, within.
We're survivors. We control the fear. And without the fear, we are all as good as dead.
There's a new deputy. He wants to work it out, so everybody gets to do some business.
I'm going to make your life real difficult from now on if you don't toe the line, country boy. Don't you ever touch me again.
There's a feeling around these parts that this Bondurant's is indestructible.
Do you mean a mortal? Do you have any idea what a Thompson submachine gun does to a mortal?
I had a dream last night while I was laying in my bed.
Pure corn whiskey.
It's impressive. You want any more of this stuff?
As much as you can bring me.
You're an outlaw, Jack.
No, it's just a matter of perspective.
This is a war they is waging. You ain't gonna survive.
I'm a Bondurant. We don't lay down for nobody.
Ain't that just like you to believe your own damn legend?
My brother Forrest once said, nothing can kill us. We can't never die. But nobody leaves this world alive.